Crane operations and rigging equipment. This safety topic applies to all types of cranes including mobile and fixed cranes, example overhead and gantry cranes, and the use of slings and other rigging hardware. Crane lifting equipment inspections. 1. Inspect all Saudi Aramco, contractor, or third-party mobile and fixed cranes prior to use with the Saudi Aramco Crane Operator Daily Inspection Checklist found in GI 7.028. 2. Operate only cranes that have a valid inspection sticker from Saudi Aramco, or a Saudi Aramco approved third party. 3. Verify that supplemental lifting equipment used below the hook, example, spreader bars, man baskets, has a valid inspection sticker. Crane operations. 1. Do not operate a crane unless you are certified per the requirements of GI 7.025 for the mobile crane, fixed crane, or extensions attachments indicated on the certificate, under the direct supervision of a qualified trainer, or performing crane maintenance or inspection duties. 2. Communicate details of any crane lifts to the affected personnel in the area of operation. 3. Use universal hand or radio signals for communication between the designated signal man and crane operator. 4. Do not obstruct the crane operator's line of sight to the designated signal man. 5. Keep all cab glass clean without obstructions, example, curtains, cardboard, or damage. Cab glass must be safety glass. 6. Use taglines to control all suspended loads, except when their use may create a greater hazard. 7. Do not side load, i.e., be sure to center the hook directly over the load. 8. Avoid suspending loads over personnel, equipment, or traffic areas. 9. Know the accurate weight of all loads and lifting gear prior to the lift. 10. Transport personnel only using approved crane-suspended personnel platforms, man baskets. 11. Use fully extended outriggers with appropriate float pads and mats when performing crane lifts. Do not permanently secure mats to the outrigger pads. 12. Do not leave the crane cab unattended while a load is suspended, unless the load is properly secured to a load-bearing structural member. 13. Position, lower, hydraulic crane booms and secure the hook while traveling. 14. Do not perform crane lifts at wind speeds above 32 km/h, 20 mph, unless otherwise specified by the manufacturer. 15. Do not perform crane-suspended personnel platform, man basket, operations at wind speeds greater than 25 km/h, 15 mph. 16. Maintain the following minimum distances when conducting crane operations near trenches and excavations. Depth of the trench or excavation for Class A soils. 2x the depth of the trench or excavation for Class B and C soils. See the excavation and trenching safety topic for soil classifications. 17. Maintain the minimum distances provided in Table 2 in the electrical safety topic when operating cranes around overhead power lines. 18. Use critical lift plans, see GI 7.028, for certain conditions and activities, including cranes operating around power lines, operating around hydrocarbons and above-ground pressurized piping areas, populated traffic areas, and railroads. All loads of 40 tons or greater. All loads exceeding 85% of the rated load capacity of the crane for that specific lift. Tandem, multiple, or tailing lifts, any lift requiring 2 or more cranes to lift one load. Lifts involving a crane-suspended personnel platform, man basket. A crane-suspended personnel platform, man basket, permit is required, see GI 7.027. High-level and or long-reach crane lifts. Lifts on barges, vessels, or loading piers. On rubber or pick-and-carry lifts. Nighttime crane lifts, except as approved during a turnaround and inspection, TI, or shucked. Blind lifts. Other lifts as determined by Saudi Aramco management. Rigging practices and inspection. 1. Rig all crane loads using a certified rigger per GI 7.025. 2. Use accepted rigging techniques when lifting loads. 3. Use only rigging equipment that is rated for the load being lifted. 4. Avoid sharp bends in slings and protect slings from sharp edges and abrasions. 5. Rig loads off load-bearing structural members only after prior approval. Do not rig from process piping. 6. Do not modify, repair, shorten, or lengthen slings. Verify that the manufacturer's safe working load, SWL, and serial number are clearly marked on each sling. 7. Do not use sling angles less than 30 degrees above the horizontal. The recommended safe working angle is 60 degrees above the horizontal. 8. Completely close bolt shackles and other connecting devices. 9. Do not use fasteners or other rigging hardware manufactured in-house. 10. Ensure a certified rigger inspects all slings, fittings, and shackles before each use. 11. Inspect slings and other rigging hardware per applicable standards every 6 months using a certified rigger. 12. Maintain a job site log of slings that identifies the sling and periodic inspection results. Record defective slings in the log and remove them promptly from the job site. 13. Inspect and certify all A-frames by a certified inspector prior to attaching any rigging equipment.